Yeah, a lot of fixing, a lot of boxes.
Lot of
Yeah.
scatter stuff.
So we are, since morning we have been fixing the wardrobe since morning. Yeah, I think it's nice now.
It was very
A1. Ola, no. Ola wants to go inside.
I'm close the door
She's
now.
going inside to test it.
A test.
Yeah, it's a big wardrobe so far.
It's not meant to fall.
Yeah, so Ola, come out, please. Bring her out. Ola, come out. I want to close the door.
Say close door.
Yeah, close it. Yeah, that's how it works. Yeah.
If
Yeah.
you want, you can swap,
Yeah.
this door from here. This
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, how I excited with the new wardrobe. Okay, that side as well.
Yep.
It's a whole lot of space. Can you imagine? Like that from here. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, here you go. Look from, I don't know the length.
It's 130. 100.
100, okay. So the person is still fixing
Yeah,
lots.
it's fixing.
Still fixing. Hey, they want Negi. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry, hello. I just want to see what now. Yeah, oh, okay, this size will be here. That's fine. Yeah. I'm still fixing things. Wardrobe things at the moment. Yeah. Good. Sorry. Yep.
पैसे भी बोलने का है महीने का रेंट अच्छा लिए थे भी रात पैसे बोलना भूलिएगा और देखो करना है लेना है नहीं करना है
It's very easy for him to do. He's just doing it so quick. Carry me. Alright. Carry me. We still have lots to fix. Lot of boxes and boxes. Carry me. Yeah. Fixing is going on everywhere. Yeah. Ola, let's go up. Carry me.
Lot of fixing here.
Yeah.
Lot of parts scattered around. Sending this box down.
Lot of fixing and scattering. No, it's not Emmanuel, it's me. It's me. Yeah? No. Whole lot. The guy is very fast with the wardrobe. He's very fast with the wardrobe fixing.